Hi guys, my name is Uzo. Welcome to my cooking video, and in today's video I'll be making oha soup with a twist. Yes, I'll be making this oha soup with banga concentrate instead of oil. So to me, using banga to cook any soup usually tastes very good, even better than oil sometimes. Yeah, it gives the soup a nice texture, consistency, and even good appearance, especially when you are not 100% sure of the oil you are using. So guys, if you have not tried using banga to cook your soups, please do. You will love it. Okay guys, so relax and enjoy the cooking process. And guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. Thank you guys so much, and leave me a comment. Thank you for watching my videos. Let's enjoy the cooking video. Okay.